Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial about how to create a HTTP server with Bun. Install Bun on our machine if you don't have it. I will leave every command I will use in the description and also in my Git repo, which I link down below. So we can curl it here, and this is basically installing Bun and creating the binary, so we can write Bun and we see everything here. So, and then we can run this command bun create Elysia dot. So we create it inside of this directory, and so now we can basically run bun run dev, and we already have one at localhost 3000, so we can curl localhost 1000, and here we can see hello Elysia. This is the basic app layout, but we want to write our own. So open it in your editor of choice, and you can delete everything out of here. Then first of all, we import Elysia from Elysia, GitHub Copilot, this is my saver, const app. It's just like an Express app, but Elysia is using Bun under the hood already. App.get, we can set this and just send the basic hello world back. I need this. And we can just return this instant. So, and then we want to listen. Yep, listen on port 3000. And then we want to app is running on port 3000, but we can say it local host 3000. So if we run this again, bun run dev, we can curl it again and we get our hello world back. So now we need to so we have this get method. After the get method, there's also a post, like we know it, put and delete. This is all the normal stuff. And now we want to read parameters from the header. This is also pretty simple. We can just say hello /colon name, and here we can say then request, and the request has a name, and params like this. And then we can say then this. So what this is doing is we call /hello with some name we want to choose, and here we have this in our function as a parameter, and here we just print out hello name. So basically when we curl localhost 3000 /hello David. Oh, we didn't run the server. Run dev. And we do this again. We have this here, so we can just change something here. Hello, this is from David. And we can run this. Hello, this is from David, and we can say user 1. There we have also user 1. And in my next tutorial, I will expand this application to add SQL in the database on your local machine. If you want to see this, leave an abo and activate the clock. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and goodbye.